Hi, I'm Don, and this is The Hobbyist Geek. And today we are continuing our R2 build. We have issue 68 right here. We have even more parts, and it looks like we're going to be doing some more body work here. So let's get this open. Let's see what we got. And here are the parts we get with this issue. We have the right rear body panel, shoulder seal, rear internal plate, rear external grille, heat exhaust grill, and the heat exhaust shell itself. And well, this looks beautiful. I can't wait to see what it looks like when we put it all together. Alright, we're going to start by assembling the heat exhaust here, and it's real simple. You just take the shell here and the heat exhaust, and you just put it in there. It doesn't matter which way. And one of those 6mm black screws is going to go right in there. Alright, and with that assembled, I want to take the body panel, we'll flip it over, and it's going to sit right in there. Now if you take a look, one side has a rounded edge and the other is flat and square. The flat and square side, when holding it in this orientation, is going to go towards the right. So it should just sit right in there, nice and flush. And we want to use two more 6mm screws here and here to hold it in place. And just look at how pretty that is. Alright, next up we're going to fit the shoulder seal here, and as you can see there are two lugs here, two holes, and this one's just going to push into place. It is not going to be secured just yet, so we just push it in just like that so it's nice and flush, and it actually sits there fairly securely. Next up, we're going to be taking this grill here. We've got the internal plate and we've got the grill itself, and it looks, if I am looking at this properly, yeah, like this. So we've got the writing right there. That's going to be facing up towards you. That's like the inside, and we just slot it in just like this so that those lugs go through those holes. Now we'll flip it over and it will slide in. You notice you've got these little tabs here. Those are going to go into these little holes right there, just like that, so that those lugs line up with these screw holes. And we're going to use two 4mm black screws, one right there and one right there. And there you have it, people. This part of the body frame is complete, and man, that looks gorgeous. That actually completes this stage. And there you have it, stage 68 is complete. And I mean, would you just look at this? Is that not gorgeous? I can't wait to get this whole thing assembled. It's just gonna be so pretty. But if you liked the video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Have a great day.